Hello folks, so this is Makita, the saw. This model is 5008 and after 1 year I can say a few words about it. So the downside it's pretty heavy. It's about 5 kilo or around 11 pounds. So when you lift off it's quite heavy. After a few hours of work you will be tired. Now the other downside is that the handle, if you're left-handed or right-handed, you can see the difference. Maybe it's just for me, but anyway, it's a small downside. Considering that the hand is made for two, right hand and left hand. Besides that, this saw is just perfect. It's it's quite heavy. Well, the big advantage is that the disc is 210 millimeters and you can cut up to 75 millimeters deep, which is taking the other model 7601 Makita. It's quite different. Now the other big advantage is the power. Power is 108 watts, so it's quite powerful. 1800 watts, it's quite powerful, yeah. And I can say about the measurements. You have your lines here. It cuts exactly as it strikes, 0 to 45 degrees. Now this saw is made with magnesium. I mean, the body is the metal, includes the magnesium, and magnesium will make it a bit lighter, but in practice it's not so lighter. You can see that this downside also it's integrated one big part, and it's a huge advance for this saw. I made 3 holes to integrate it with the table to make it table saw, and it works perfect. Now about the subtractor, it doesn't work very well. I do find it not working so well. And another big advantage, as this model was bought from Amazon, around the price was 160 pounds or 109.90 euros, or in US dollars it will be like 250. So the big advantage, it came with the Mac pack case. In my case it's type 4. I think it's one of the biggest case from Makita. It has big advantage that you can use it for any type of Makita tool. In my case it's a circular saw, but you can use it with the, like, I don't know, you can take it like a drill or any other tool from Makita. So basically, after 1 year I can say that if you're looking for long projects, you should definitely take the 508. In case if you're looking for something for one summer, for a short-term project, I think you should take the 7601. So basically I think this is the mate. Also, this tool is made in China, which is very unusual for the Makita, because I do have a sanding machine Makita, and particularly in this case, this model was produced in the USA, but it's also made for the UK. You can see there's a fuse for 3 amperes. So it was quite unusual for Makita if it was made in China. Anyway, I do suggest it, and I think it's perfect.